going on YouTube? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Today we're gonna go get our hair done and ride around a little bit, so let's do it.
It wasn't his fault. It was my fault for, getting on it. So I'm on the bike, like, revving it up, like, man, feeling like I'm the man.
Kevin, you always have to check to see if it's in gear.
Yep.
I'm sorry, sweetie, I got a bad mouth.
It was in first gear, and then he had the clutch, and he didn't know, so he was revving it,
Yeah, and he popped.
and he let go, and that thing did a wheelie, like,
Went up in the air.
Wait, is it the one you told me about?
yeah, the green one.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah. So about from here to that SUV, the big one, that's where I stopped at. And when I got up, I was like this. And yeah, it was a bad Mother's Day. I couldn't lift anything. I couldn't.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how fast have you broken
166.
That's why I said.
Seriously?
It can go 180, but it's been up to 166 so far.
I've only been over 100 one time.
I was over 100 yesterday.
Okay, Kevin, go haul ass. Right now, I'm just gonna leave it.
Okay, just let me know if you need some help. I'll help you.
I know you're off today.
Okay.
This colorway go crazy, bro.
Tell him about my
Every time I see it.
again. Not that he's gonna do anything, but I gotta tell him.
All right, y'all, we about to go spin the block.
Okay, let's do
Y'all ready?
Oh, no. You in the front.
Nah, you gotta get in the front. She gotta get in the back.
Oh, man.
I ain't gonna go too crazy though. All right, y'all. It's decent.
Oh, these flies out here in the country bad, bro.
So buckle up. Drop these windows down real quick. We're gonna take off, y'all. Throw that thing in track mode real quick. So you got track, sport, and custom. So custom, you can like change whatever settings you want. So you can change the transmission settings, the paddle shifters, and then the suspension, steering, all of that stuff. And then they got sport mode. I don't like sport mode, it's kind of slow, but track mode, the fastest one. So that's the one I choose. We ain't gonna speed too much, just a little smooth ride till we get out there. We do a quick, we'll do a little pull, but we ain't gonna do nothing too crazy. Trying to see if people want to race all week. They ain't want to race me.
Oh, man. I got this dude at work. He drives a GT. And, bro, I'm trying to tell you, it's loud, but it don't seem like it be moving. I'm talking about, like, I walked behind the car when he was starting it one day, and it was like, all right, bro. Yeah, he scared me.
All right, let's see.
$80 a day on gas, right?
Just about every other day. Every other day, a good 60 something to 70. Yeah. Every time you touch that gas pedal, they go $20. Boom, boom. But it's worth it though. It's fun.
Yeah. That was. I don't think I did that, man. Shoot, what? You can smell it, bro.
Yeah. driving this car. You can feel that power.
Yeah, I can feel all of it. Man. And you can change performance anytime you want to on it.
Yep.
To just idle it down to be like,
So I can go back to auto, the basic mode, and then I can put it in eco mode too if I want to try to save some gas.
Yeah, wow.
And if I see somebody who want to race me, I can put it right back in track and smoke them.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I love this car, man. This thing is nice.
Man. Yeah, I can't do it. Sound like it'll kill me, boy. She'd be like, oh, you got a car I can't even touch. I can't even ride in it with you. Like, nah. This is crazy. And you got that big boy song.
Yeah.
Man.
We can open it up.
So you don't be up on like, don't master none of that stuff?
Not really. I got friends that do it, but I like the new school cars. I don't really like old school cars like that. Unless it's like classical cars like a 6'4" Impala. I like those type of cars.
But they be racing, you know what I'm saying? Like stuff like this.
I don't know. I'll check them out though. I just haven't seen it. But I'll definitely give it a look.
Yeah, this my jerk, boy. That little crook I had in my neck earlier, I'm straight. That thing goes. And it sounds so good, man.
Yeah, I just had when I bought it, it had the mid-muffler delete, but I went and got the resonators cut off yesterday just so it could be a little bit louder. But I love the way it sounds, man. Before it was cool, but now it got that perfect sound to it.
Snatching. Stand up to a bird, though. I'm trying to tell you. My man's his lot, that GT I was talking about, is a lot louder, but he don't be moving.
Yeah.
And I passed him in the Infinity, like, bro, you got a GT, like, you supposed to be, like, gone.
Yeah, that's how a lot of them are. They do all the exhaust work and don't have no type of performance.
Man, I gotta look at some of your work, man.
I got some stuff on YouTube. You can go back. I'm gonna send you the link so you can check some stuff out.
Definitely, I need that, man. I just want mine to it sounds good, the Infinity sounds good, but at the same time, I know I can do a little bit more I ain't trying to race, I ain't trying to, I'm just trying to get where I'm going.
Yeah. There's some stuff you can do to it, spruce it up a little bit.
I just knew you would catch that
I thought about it, I was like, nah, I'm gonna chill right now.
Yeah, it's countryside, man. Everybody cool out here.
Yeah.
Still looking for that dog. Looking for that dog for like 2 weeks ago.
Somebody probably done stole him. He tied up in their backyard now.
Well, out here, coyotes, bears. Man, spending all that money going to a chiropractor, and all I need to do is take one ride down the street. Like my man's right here. I didn't want to knock him, but I'm looking at it like that's just fake. That's just a whole bunch of plastic and chrome.
Yeah.
not even.
You ain't got no speed behind it.
But it look good.
Yeah.
For a show car.
Yeah, just to have a little something to show. You good back there?
You gonna need you some what do you call those things?
A hat or something?
Nah, you gonna need
A bobby pin or something.
Nah, rubber bands.
Oh, yeah.
You gonna need some rubber bands in your hair. They ain't gonna turn around in the cul-de-sac though. Ain't nobody gonna say nothing out here. They know it's me. Man, whew, boy.
Donuts on it.
That was the most fun I had in a minute. You can tell I'm old, getting old. See, yo, this
man,
big
it was. I should have probably got down video or some stuff, didn't I?
I'll send it.
That fast. Was back in 90, about 98 in a 67 Pontiac Lamars with a 454 in it. Bro. Yeah,
Yeah, I'll send you some of this video footage too. So you'll have it.
Alright. Shoot, man.
Too
Keep
late,
doing
man.
good. Keep doing good.
Yes, sir.
Love to see that.
All right, y'all. We back on the road with it. Let's do it. Had to take Unc on a little spin real quick. Fresh off the blaze. Check out the woo. Sexual chocolate. Looking good.
Yeah, looking good.
All right, y'all. Let's get up out of here real quick. Nah, I ain't never that. You always looking good, babe. All right, y'all. It's time to get something to eat. I ain't eat all day, believe it or not. And it's like almost 4 o'clock.
Oh.
All right, y'all. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to the food spot. Probably gonna be McDonald's down here. But let's find out. All right, y'all. So I was wrong. She probably just chose Wendy's because I said McDonald's, but if I ain't say nothing.
I wanted a wrap. I didn't want no McDonald's.
Yeah. Over the story, I was wrong. Man, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. My car is dirty as shit right now. So I'm gonna vacuum this up and probably wipe down the dash and whatnot. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and cleaned out the inside, vacuumed and wiped everything down. Not gonna say what I wiped it down with until they start sponsoring me. Ain't no free promo. But y'all see, door panel's clean. Wipe down the steering wheel, dash, everything crispy. So yeah. All right, man. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this thing in the garage. Appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.